Hi guys, so I'm back with an update. So if you have been following my trading history on my FX book, you may know that I have been in drawdown, and in that drawdown I breached the max drawdown of this 400k account. I breached the max drawdown of this account on Tuesday. After that I bought these 200k swing challenges and I'm in drawdown in both of these accounts as well. There are many problems that I have been experiencing with FTMO that I'll let you know when I get banned or whatever. These are the last challenges that I have purchased on any prop firm. So from now on, I'll not do any prop firm challenges or prop firm trading because I'm done with prop firms. Every day there is a new rule and always try to sabotage your trading strategy by switching from swing to standard FTMO accounts, which makes you double minded. I have 3% drawdown remaining on both of these challenges. So if I blow these 3% drawdowns, I'll not buy any more challenges on prop firms. So that is it. This was the worst month in the past 2 years. Since I started journaling my trading strategy publicly, I lost almost 2500 pips. So I had a peak on 8th of May with 7,700 pips or 800 pips, and now I am at 7,050 pips. So I have lost almost 2,500 pips this month. I had 5 consecutive winning months of 2026, and then in May I had a drawdown of 2,500 pips. I'm not going to lie, I messed up. I messed up real hard because I have in the past 2 years, this is the only month that I have 80 trades in this month of May alone. As you can see, before that the max was I think 58 trades. Now I am going to control my over trading because I keep over trading and I keep messing things up because of the change of the model on FTMO accounts. So I'm now only going to trade my personal capital, and now I'm going to not focus on prop firm challenges or anything, and I'm only going to trade personal accounts like I have done again and again. Whenever I am in drawdown and the drawdown exceeds the cap I have put on, I immediately withdraw money. I withdraw most of my money, like I mentioned. I believe in the last or second last weekly update that if this drawdown continues, I'll withdraw the money because that is what has helped me all those years to survive in this game. Because you always need capital to trade for another day. If you finish all your capital in one day, and you don't have another day to trade, you will not survive. You will go back to zero, and coming back from zero is very hard. Coping with drawdowns is easy, overcoming drawdowns easy, but coming back from zero is very hard. I also have an announcement to make. Now, first disclaimer, I'm going to trade both of these accounts aggressively. Aggressively meaning I'm going to risk plus or minus $100 per trade on both of these accounts. We will see how far we can go, and I'll keep trading these accounts and I'll keep withdrawing whatever profit I make at the end of every month. If you want to copy my trades either on CTrader or on MT5, I'll leave the links in the description. But keep in mind that I'm going to trade both of these accounts aggressively. So you only need to put $1,000 in that account if you want to copy my trades. One thing. Second thing is you can just copy my trades on your MT5 with any broker from MQL5. Now the third thing is, if not only you want to copy my trades but also learn from me or see the setups in real time, you can use my affiliate links to open your accounts with FX Pro in order to trade on CTrader or on TMGM to trade on MT5. I'll add you to my group where I share my setups in real time. So that is another chance for you to learn for free. So other than that, if you want to copy my trades, there will be a 30% performance fee on both, either on MT5 or on CTrader. So I'm not even looking at any time frame lower than 1 hour from now on. And if you go back to the end of May last year 2025, you will see this pattern. And now I am looking for a correction like this one or this one. So here my plan is to wait for the correction towards this area. If price comes back to this area, I'll look to buy from here. So this is my plan, and I'll explain more about this tomorrow in the live stream, and I'll post in the community and also post a story on my Instagram 2 or 3 hours before I start the live stream, so you can join and ask me questions or whatever. So that is it, and I'll see you tomorrow in the live stream.